Nash found these on Facebook Marketplace. They're 35-inch BF Goodrich KO2’s.
34 and a half, technically. $110 a tire.
110 bucks each. We're gonna throw them on today.
We've got tires. We've got balancing beads. We got warm soapy water. We got rims. We got an air compressor. We got tire irons. I should probably watch a YouTube video on this. Because that's for the other side.
You did it! Yeah, look at you. Don't let it fall out. Up.
Oh.
Up.
Careful, SpongeBob. It's a learning process.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh.
How do you feel?
One is done.
1 out of 4. Look at you.
There you go. There you go. Watch out. Look out. Wait for it. For it.
So let's decide, it's easier to put the front of your rim in the tire first than the back. Hey, see, he's already done.
Yeah, significantly. Which sucks, because now I'm going to scratch up the front with the irons, but... Setup is going to be 600... a little bit. There we go. Yay! Getting the system.
Okay, so what we figured out was when you're on the last side, what can happen is the part of the rim that's in the tire can actually get onto the bead and make it really, really difficult to get the rest onto the rim. So basically, you got to make sure that this is not set on the bead. There should be some space on this free side. And then it'll make it a lot easier to get the rest of it on.
Come on.
Give it the beans, kid. Woo!
You want to start pulling the tires off the truck? $550 for 5 tires.
And they're fine? Why did... That was so cool.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Super excited for Nash. Those 35s are gonna serve him well, but that was definitely harder than I thought it was to get a tire onto a rim. But yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.